Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, determine the two numbers nearest to 10,100,000 which are exactly divisible by 6, 5, 7 and 4. Okay. Firstly, the numbers which are exactly divisible by 6, 5, 7 and 4 are the multiples of LCM of given numbers. Okay. So LCM can be found by the multiples, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So the multiplication of all this we will get, that is 420. Okay, 420. Now let us divide 10,100,000 by 420. We get remainder remainder 40. Okay. Now the nearest number to and less than 100,000 when divided by 420 is given by, subtract that remainder, it means 40, from that 10,100,000. So it will be 99,960. Okay. Now the nearest number to and greater than 100,000 which is divisible by 420 can be found by add that remainder, means that add 420 to that number, means less than 100,000. We got it as 99,960. More than 420 plus 420 means 100,380. Hence, the required two numbers be 99,960 and 100,380.